Okay, so as you can see, I've put my box together and it was fairly simple. And of course, it's not embellished as of yet, but that will come on later. And so this is your snail mail explosion box. And as you can see, it was so easy to make. The papers that I used on the inside of my box are from Prima. It is this paper pad right here, just a simple 6x6 paper pad will do, and you just choose your style. If you wish, you could add papers right along here or just leave it as that, and basically to close up your box, you're going to hold it like so and just add your lid like so, and there it is. And it can easily go inside one of those 6x6 shipment boxes, so you can send it to the recipient. And so this was fairly simple to make. And you know what, if you want to make explosion box mini albums, you can use the same method. Just go down on the sizes. For example, you could start with a 4x4, then move down to a 3.75 by 3.75, and just follow the guidelines on your We Are Memory Keeper box punch board. And if you don't have a We Are Memory Keeper box punch board, you can also do this project using your scoreboard. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so here is your scoreboard. You have a 12x12 scoreboard, and you're going to be using a 12x12 piece of cardstock. Basically, what you want to do is you want to score at 4, and then at 8. And you want to do this on all sides. So that's 1, 2. Oh wait, yeah, okay, all sizes are done. So you do that on all sides, and now you're going to have your score marks like this, your score marks like that. And what I do for the diagonal, basically what you want to do is you want to line up your paper to your score board so that you can get a nice diagonal line right along there. There's one diagonal line, and you're going to want to do this for every single line. Okay, so now that you have your diagonal lines, you're going to have to, let's see, you're going to fold along your lines like so. And fold like so. Fold like so. And fold like so. Okay, so we're going to have these lines go along like this. This one go along like this. This one go along like this. And this one go along like this. Now, what's different about this box is that we don't have that crease mark like we did in the other box to cut along that crease mark. And if it bothers you that these are a little bit overlapping, kind of, what you can always do is you can round off the corners with a punch board. I mean, not a punch board, obviously. Not a punch board. You don't have a punch board. We can use a paper punch. So I'm just going to use a circle paper punch to do these corners right along here. We're going to go like one. You can make them however you want to make them. I'm just doing this for show. Here's another one. Here's another one. And here's another one. So anyways, you get the idea. You can use anything to round these off, or maybe even your crocodile corner punch. That will work too. And so, yeah, here we have our box. You decorate it, you make the lid. I've already shown you how to make the lid, and that is it. There you have your explosion box. It's as simple as that. And I thank you so very much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a nice comment, thumbs up, and share my videos. And yeah, there's going to be pictures at the very end. I will show you how I wound up decorating my Shabby Chic snail mail box. And I thank y'all for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, okay? Talk to y'all soon. Bye now.